What's the meaning of cool drink? Cool drink. Cool drink.
Cool drink. Cool drink. Cool drink is a term used mainly in South Africa and some other countries to refer to a cold beverage. It typically refers to carbonated drinks such as soda, but can also include non-carbonated beverages like juice or water. The term cool drink is likely derived from the fact that these beverages are served chilled and provide a refreshing sensation when consumed. In essence, cool drink is simply a colloquial term used to describe a variety of cold beverages.